Good morning. Welcome to Best Bits Tips of the Day. Today we're going to talk about other cost. It's a button that we have. We haven't spoke much about it in a lot of our help videos. We thought, I guess, that it would just be self-explanatory. But people are saying all the time, where do I put Firecalc and plans and just miscellaneous items? Well, we've created a tab called Other Cost. And this is where you would put it. You can put any incidental cost in here. You can also click the sheet of paper and add new names as you go. Another little trick is I like to have my quantities first. So you can drag these to make a little more sense for you. It reads better to me with the quantity first, so you can just drag one of these headers over. So just fill in your other cost, hit save. You can go to the worksheet and your other costs will be listed right here, other cost. So they'll be listed here so you can check to make sure that you have them. That's all there is to it. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much for watching.